Good morning, everyone. My name is Marty, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am participating in a challenge for the month of August called Every Bit Counts Challenge. Now, this challenge is put on by our lovely host, Jessica, from Three Rivers Homestead. So come join me in the kitchen and keep me company.
I got a quick little deal at Foodland. I have all these grapes for $1.49, which is incredible because this is about $5 to $6 worth of grapes. We never purchase grapes unless they're on sale or on clearance. And because they're on clearance, I am going to dehydrate these today. It's part of a project I'm doing, putting away fruit that I've dehydrated for use in baking this fall and winter. Now, how cool is that? And I have an empty dehydrator at the moment. So I'm going to wash these up or rinse these off several times. Let them drip dry. I'm going to cut them in half, and I'll show you that in a minute. So I cut them all with a very sharp pair of kitchen scissors. And look how nice they are. And I put them to cut side up because the fan does blow across the top. So here's hoping, fingers crossed. It doesn't take a long time. I have to find a few other items I'm going to pop in here. I do have still some peaches, and I think that'll work well in with the grapes. Well, the grapes are successfully dried into raisins. We're just cooling them off, and we'll pop them in a jar. Well, 2 trays of dried grape halves fit a 500 ml pint jar. This is awesome.
Well, thank you very much for joining me in the kitchen today. And a big thank you to Jessica for this wonderful challenge, Every Bit Counts Challenge, which you can jump in and join in if you wish anytime through the month of August, and just use the hashtag and mention the host's name. It really does add up, that little bit that you do each day, a little or a lot. It's the consistency, 30 days of consistency that adds up in your pantry. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.